welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Canan and today is day 3 out of 7 Valentine's Day makeup looks that I'm going to share with you. This one is a very special edition because I let you guys pick what makeup I'm going to use. So I did this poll on Instagram and let you choose like always between like 2 different brands or different like makeup products, and you guys pick these products. So if you want to see what I am using, then just keep on watching. So let's jump into the base first. You guys picked the Angel Veil primer by NYX, and yeah, let's use this on our face now. Now I will let that primer sink into my face and my skin, and I will jump straight into eyeshadow now. And I let you guys pick in my poll between 2 like different ColourPop eyeshadow palettes I got. One is like on the orangey side, whoa, and one was on like the blue side. And you guys wanted me to use this one, so let's jump into Yes Please by ColourPop. So mine looks pretty dirty right now, I know, but this palette is actually so good for its price. I love the quality and the pigmentation of it a lot, especially the like matte shades are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, like this orange right here is my babe. So today's the very first day that I'm using makeup tape on a video. Oh gosh. Got this one from Primark and love that a lot. So let's just jump into this shade I was just talking about. So what I'm doing is just like creating a base with this like orange shade. And now I'm using this shimmery orange right here. For the center of my eyelid, I'm just using my finger to put on this golden shimmery shade. So underneath my eyes I'm using this shade right here, which is called Big Cocktails. Once that is done, I'm jumping into my very favorite shade, which is this yellow. I love using a blending brush right underneath my eyes just to blend that orange in. It just gives you a nice like summery effect, and I will just do the same up here. Okay, next I'll let you guys choose between the blue Snapscara by Maybelline and the black one, and I'm glad you picked the black one because it suits this makeup look so much more. Okay, so next we're doing foundation because this girl looks pale right now. We are using the Stay Naked foundation by Urban Decay. This is the only foundation that I've been using in my whole like Valentine's series so far, because you guys picked it this time, of course. So yeah, I'm just using this in the shade 30NN. Okay, so next you guys wanted me to use the Canan Day Look concealer instead of the HD NYX one. So we are basically just using this concealer now, right? Next we are doing powder, like setting a little bit. I'm using the Tam Tam Banana Loose Powder. I've never tried this one out. So let's do that now, I guess. It looks pretty good, but it does not look like a banana powder to me. It looks a little more like on the darker side. We will see, right? Okay, so let's just dust that off. It does actually look good. I'm impressed. I will be jumping back into that like setting powder later on, but first let's do a little bit of bronzing. You guys picked the Cheek Parade by Benefit, and it includes my favorite Willow Light right here, so we are using this one. And now I'll just go back to that like setting powder. Next you guys picked the Catrice blush box. This is a water and sweat proof one in the shade of Berry, and I like that shade, whoa, a lot. Once my cheeks look this alive, I am jumping into the Laura Geller palette, which is the Dripping in Gold Illuminator palette, and it's got these gorgeous highlighting shades in it, and I love all of them. I'll let you guys pick between these three and like a larger Catrice one, and you guys pick this. And as I said, there's 3 shades in here, so I don't really know which one to use. But I think I'm using the shade right here, which is like a proper gold. It actually says Gilded Honey. Almost last, but definitely not least, is the NARS lipstick in the shade Orgasm, and this is probably the most famous shade of all the like NARS products, I guess. And this is the lipstick you guys picked over a nudish hourglass one. So let's jump into this. This is the very last step, so you guys pick the Top Shot Fixing Mist, which I'm basically just spraying all over my face, and it kind of gives you this nice like glow, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up please, that would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, I guess. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye!